Are you living outside the US but doing business inside the US? Or maybe you're wondering why two people earning the same income might owe very different taxes. Well, you're not alone, and today we're going to clear it all up. Welcome to the Freedom Group channel, where we help entrepreneurs and individuals navigate the complex world of US taxes, insurance, and beyond. Freedom Group is made up of 3 companies that have proudly served the community for over 20 years, offering complete support in taxes, accounting, financial planning, and real estate. If that sounds like something you need, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. We've got practical advice coming your way every single week. Today's topic is a big one. How do US tax rules differ for non-resident aliens versus US residents? Now, this isn't just a paperwork difference. Your tax classification changes everything: how much you owe, what forms you file, and even what kind of income the IRS can tax. So let's break it down in a way that's simple, clear, and useful, especially if you're running a business or investing in the United States. First, let's define the basics. A US resident, for tax purposes, can be someone who is A, US citizen, B, a green card holder, C, someone who meets the substantial presence test. That's typically 183 days or more in the US over a 3-year period, consecutive 3 years. If you don't fall into one of these categories, you're considered a non-resident alien, even if you own a US LLC or you do business here. And here's the thing, each group plays by very different tax rules. So let's talk about taxable income. If you're a US resident, the IRS is going to tax your worldwide income, everything you earn, no matter where it's from. But if you're a non-resident alien, the IRS only taxes your income that is, 1, effectively connected with a US trade or business, this is called ECI, or certain types of passive income like US interest or dividends, and this is called FDAP or FDAP income. Here's the example. A US resident with a rental property in Spain must report that income on their US tax return. A non-resident alien with a US Amazon store might only report the profits from that business and not pay tax on income from their income in their home country. Now, let's look at how much tax each group might pay. US residents are taxed using the graduated tax rates, just like citizens, and it's based on how much they earn. Non-residents, it's a mix. ECI income is taxed at graduated rates, but only if it's properly connected to a US business. The FDAP income is typically taxed at a flat 30% rate unless there's a treaty that lowers it. Quick tip, many non-residents overpay taxes simply because they didn't claim a treaty benefit or structure their business properly. This is where planning really matters. Now let's talk paperwork. US residents file Form 1040, the standard individual tax return, but non-resident aliens, they use Form 1040-NR, which only covers US sourced income. And if you're a non-resident alien who owns a US LLC, your filing requirements depend on whether your LLC is 1, treated as a disregarded entity or as a sole member LLC, a partnership with 2 or more members, or number 3, it's elected to be taxed as a corporation. You may also need to file Form 5472, Form 1120, or even a W-8BEN for withholding purposes. The forms may look similar, but the IRS doesn't treat them the same. Here are some very common mistakes we see all the time. Filing the wrong tax return, like using the 1040 when you should be using the 1040-NR. Forgetting to claim treaty benefits, ignoring filing requirements for US LLCs with foreign owners, or not reporting income correctly. All of this leading to IRS letters, penalties, or worse. So here's a pro tip. Get professional help early. It saves you time, money, major headaches down the line. And here at Freedom Group, we specialize in helping non-residents and US residents understand their tax responsibilities and stay compliant. Whether you need help filing your return, claiming a tax treaty benefit, or just understanding your LLC's reporting duties, we've got you covered. Schedule a consultation today using the link in the description. Our team is ready to help. So let's recap this all. US residents are taxed on their worldwide income. Non-residents are only taxed on US sourced income. Different filings, different forms, different rates, different rules. But no matter what category you fall into, with the right support, you can stay compliant and confident. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with somebody who needs to hear this. We release new content every week to help you guys succeed wherever you are in your financial journey. And don't stop here. Check out our next video where you may find some more helpful information. Click it and we'll see you there.